right, Bronco fans, here you go, 1991 Ford Bronco XLT 4x4. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles under 32,000 miles. 302 or 5 liter underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Let's go ahead and take a look at this chrome headlight surrounds, grizzly cow catcher, if you will, or basically like a push bar up front. Save that front end just in case. Now, there must have been a bug shield once upon a time. There's a few rub spots in the paint, which leads me to believe that that's original paint also. This particular color, medium scarlet with gray interior. Wait till you see the interior of this vehicle. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, check out the underside, engine bay, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on BF Goodrich all-terrain radial tires. Look at the condition of the graphics, your lower rockers. Go around the wheel wells back here. Just some ever so slight bubbling right there, very minimal. But look at the condition of those graphics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some recent service work that was done to this in the shop. Valve cover gaskets were replaced. Intake plenum gasket also replaced. And it does have new muffler and exhaust pipes. So there's some things that have been done to the exhaust system. Take a look at the undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see the underside and how clean this vehicle is. Look at the interior and the engine bay. You can tell, low mile vehicle, no doubt about that. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, no mileage recorded over what it has on it now. Confirmed miles, there it is, Bronco XLT package. So we do have power locks, power windows. And again, look at the graphics and how nice a shape those are in. Take a look around the wheel wells, and again, lower rockers. Door panels. Look at lack of wear here. Usually where it's discolored, or maybe from oils from your skin, or dirt or grime that's on a shirt sleeve or coat sleeve. Same with the door panels. Take a look at these seats. Pretty much a lack of any wear. Center console. Of course, the fold down armrests. Take a peek in the rear. Cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM cassette, power steering, power brakes, and AC. AC blows cold. And look at the top of this dash. You can tell it hasn't sat outside in the sun either. Not weather checked, cracked, baked, anything like that. There's your miles, 31,880. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. Again, 5 liter or 302 underneath the hood. And you can see no warning indicators, anything like that. Just that seatbelt lights. That's normally seatbelt on. That was a cold start. Other than that, it appears all the gauges are working, including the tach. You'll be able to see the undersides of the doors. Be able to check out the door data tag, if you will, in the still pictures. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper of this vehicle. Also, place for a receiver. Sounds good, and a lot of new exhaust components underneath there. See those in the still pictures. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I want to pop this hood. We'll check out this engine bay, wrap up this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the underside of the hood. And then take a look at this engine bay. Very stock looking. And one last time, 302, automatic with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. Original mile, clean Carfax, under 32,000 miles. It's 1991 Ford Bronco XLT 4x4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.